Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Excel Book. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss about Name Manager in MS Excel, its benefit and basic rules. But before that, subscribe to our channel if you haven't and press the bell icon and never miss an update from us. Name Manager in MS Excel is a tool which allows a user to define a cell or cell range references with an alphanumeric name. Continuing from our last video, our current example also take place in the Office universe. Here in tab Product Information, we have types of paper sold by Dunder Mifflin Company and its current market price. In second tab Bill Payment, we have Bill Summary which will be filled as per client's requirement. Third tab includes details of all the clients of Dunder Mifflin Company. In second tab, cell B1 contains drop-down of all the clients' name from tab Client List. Cell C3, C4, E3 and E4 have been linked using VLOOKUP formulae which provide client's detail, and whenever client's name will change from the drop-down in cell B1, then client's detail will also change accordingly. Now we get a client's requirement. Daniel College requires 7 sets of gloss-coated paper, 3 sets of recycled paper and 4 sets of uncoated paper. Now we will enter details in the Bill Payment tab. We will change the client's company name from the drop-down, which will automatically change client's detail as well. Now let's input the detail. Every time inputting the detail for client is tedious and time-consuming task. Hence, we will now create Name Manager to make the bill payment process more convenient. Let's create Name Manager. Go to Formula tab and click on Name Manager. We will click on New. A new dialog box will open. Here we will input the name. Now, here are some of the rules that needs to be followed while using Name Manager. Name must start with a letter. A combination of letter and number can also be used. Space between two words or special characters will not work and will give error. It's always recommended to use underscore sign in the place of space. Every time we create a new name, it must be new and should not match with an existing name. Now let's create a new name manager. We will write bond underscore paper and refer to cell B6. Similarly, we will create other name manager for name as well as for price. Now, we have created our name manager. Let's come to cell Bill Payment and enter order. The order from Daniel College was 7 sets of gloss coated paper, 3 sets of recycled paper and 4 sets of uncoated paper. In cell C16 we will write equal to gloss. We will see name manager option here. We will select name manager by clicking tab and enter. We will get the name of type of paper. Now we will input quantity of paper required in adjacent cell, and now we write equal to gloss and select gloss coated paper price. Click tab button and enter. We will see the price automatically entering in the cell. Similarly, in below cell we will follow the same procedure. Now once we have created a name manager of all the products, we just need to input different clients' requirement. Thus, by using name manager, the work efficiency will increase. Thus, we would not require to write the type of paper and price of the paper every time there is a client's order. Also, if a company changes the price of any product, the name manager will automatically take that into consideration and throw the changed price of that product. Now, for example, Dunder Mifflin stops selling recycled paper and instead starts selling watermarked paper. We will first make the change in the Product Information tab. In cell B8, we will rewrite watermarked paper and will change price accordingly. Since the recycled paper is not being sold, the same cannot appear in the bill information. Thus, we have to change the same in Name Manager too. We will again open Name Manager dialog box, select Recycled Paper, click on Edit and rename it as Watermarked Paper. Referred to cell position will remain same. We'll also edit Name Manager Recycled Paper Price to Watermark Paper Price, and our sheet will be updated accordingly, and we will not see Recycled Paper name in Bill Information tab. Now, if the company wants to shut down its business and enter in other product services, it will delete all its Name Manager, which will be redundant now to new business. To delete the Name Manager data, we will again open dialog box, select the Name Manager we want to delete and click on Delete. Thus, in today's tutorial, we learn how to create, edit and delete Name Manager along with its benefit. So that's it in today's video. If you find this tutorial interesting and knowledgeable, then subscribe to our channel, like this video, and if you have any query, then write the same in comment section below. Thanks for watching.